Having "I know AI" on your resume in 2026 is officially useless. We have reached a point of total saturation. Standard AI knowledge has moved from a competitive advantage to a baseline requirement, leaving no market value for the AI generalist. To see where those roles went, look at this data from Harvard Business School. Since the release of ChatGPT, jobs centered on structured, repetitive cognitive tasks have dropped by 13%. The hiring landscape is moving away from that middle ground and splitting into two distinct parallel tracks. According to LinkedIn's 2026 Skills on the Rise report, demand is diverging sharply. One path leads to technical AI capabilities, the other focuses on irreplaceable human skills. That same Harvard study found that while repetitive roles dropped, analytical and leadership roles saw a 20% growth. Survival in this market depends on picking one of these lanes. Here are the 4 specific skills that now dominate the hiring process. On the technical track, skill number 1 is building agents and automations. This is currently the most valuable applied skill because it produces a direct, measurable reduction in business costs. You don't need to be a software engineer to do this. You just need the ability to coordinate no-code tools into functioning workflows. For those who already have an established career, the path is skill number 2. Applying AI inside an existing craft. Specificity pays. Upwork data shows a 329% jump in demand for AI video generation, the specific integration of AI models into production. The trend continues with AI integration and data annotation. Deep, niche-specific application is a high-value asset. Companies aren't looking for a person to replace their experts. They are paying a premium for the experts who can embed these models into their specific fields. This leads to skill number 3, context and process work. And let's be clear, the prompt engineer is a myth that has finally run its course. Job postings for prompt engineering have fallen 40% because modern models can now interpret plain language without special tricks. Success now relies on flow engineering. As this diagram shows, a single complex prompt often fails where a multi-step agentic workflow succeeds. It is the process around the model, not the words inside it, that creates value. Now look at the other side of the split. Skill number 4, the human layer. This covers judgment, trust, and executive communication. When Morgan Stanley automated its back-office operations, it doubled down on its human financial advisors. An AI can calculate a market cycle, but it cannot navigate a client's emotional response to that cycle or build a decade of professional trust. This shift is being codified into law. Under the 2026 EU AI Act, every automated system now requires human accountability and ethical oversight, creating an immediate need for specialists who can manage AI governance. As models become more capable, the market value of human oversight and ethical judgment increases in direct proportion. So how do you position yourself in a market that demands both automation and judgment? You need to build a T-shaped professional profile. The vertical pillar of the T represents your deep human expertise, the judgment and leadership that can't be offloaded to a server. The horizontal crossbar represents your technical fluency, the ability to direct AI agents and workflows across your domain. Stop chasing random AI tips and generic cheat sheets. They are distractions. Pick one of these 4 skills: agent building, niche application, process design, or human judgment, and build something real with it this week. Go.